Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we will trade in US dollar versus Swiss franc. You will get to learn a lot in this video. If you want to learn more about the strategy, so I have made different playlists on this channel. We'll trade today with our high probability setup and see the reaction of the market with that setup. I have $2,500 in my account now whom I am going to grow. You can also grow small account with proper risk management. I adjust the lot size to 0.07 according to the account, which I have already calculated. You can also take your risk calculate with the help of position size calculator, whose link I will give in the description box. Guys, all our trade places are gone. Our profit is running $60 to $70, which we will try to grow more. I buy US dollar here. I will sell US dollars as soon as our target is achieved. Let me now explain to you from which reason I did buying trade place. You can see that the previous trend of the market was downtrend, where the market has come down making a proper price action. Here we will first take the trend line, we'll put it on the lower high of the downtrend. This is to connect all the dots well with trend line. This trend line is very important, because all the further analysis will be on this trend line. If there is a slight mistake, then we will get to see the loss, so do the analysis properly. Now take another trend line and put it on the lower low point. It is acting as trend line support. Our trend channel completed, which is working well. If your analysis is correct, then no one can stop you from making profit. Now let's do further analysis. You will see another trend inside the trend channel. Let me draw it and tell. We'll use trend line again. For this we'll put it on higher low point inside the trend channel. We'll take one more trend line than that too with the same angle on higher low point. Now you must be understanding very well how is the trend of the market. Both our trend channels are working perfectly, due to which we have got good opportunity of buying. Here our entry is at the right place, because the market is moving upwards by breaking the downtrend channel here. With this we can call trend channel breakout. So far our analysis is going right, by which we can get further buying or selling opportunities. We won't let him miss. Let's draw support resistance level now, which will make it easier for us to place stop loss. For this we will take the rectangle tool, set it at this level, because the market has taken strong support and resistance many times at this level. You also have to find such levels where the market has reversed multiple times. Here the market took support and went up, breaking the support here and taking multiple times resistance. Here again break the resistance and take support. That's why we can call it strong support resistance level. And now we've got a trend line breakout. High percentage chance market will go up from here. The market is following all our rules well, by which we can also see good profit. Now let's put stop loss and target point, by which you will understand that after which point the market will be closed, our trade will be closed. My stop loss will be below 38 pips inside the trend channel. If this fake breakout of the market happens, then the market will go down again, or we can again downtrend and place trade. And my target point will be on the new higher high, which is up 75 pips. We hope the market will reach our target point. Guys, our profit turned to $120. Market volatility is high. Here we can see good profit. Stop loss and target point have been placed. Now we have to wait till when the market hits our target point or stop loss. Most patience is needed in the market, then psychology is needed, then there is the risk management, and lastly analysis is needed. If you have these 4 skills, then you are a successful trader. No strategy is 100% in the market. It has to be made with psychology and risk management.
Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an itch, man, I'm making. I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and the sailing. They cannot try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I'm taking my goals. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes, no free committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it, but that's what it takes to get a freedom ticket. Gotta kill the instinct and it's just the beginning. Breaking down walls and the hills start thinning. And the more you push it, the faster.
Nice profit, guys. We thought the market would hit our stop loss, but after 6 days our target was achieved, for which we had to be very patient. We did not expect that the market would give us such a big reward. Here you can clearly see how the market has consolidated, because of which it took us 6 days to achieve the target. We did trade place at this place when the market was moving up with the support of the trend line. Guys, our analysis was correct. The market was properly following the trend line, but later the market turned sideways, which left our trend line behind. Here you see strong resistance area where the market has reversed again and again by taking resistance. Let me show you by drawing. We'll take a rectangle tool. For this we'll put it in this place, because it was a strong area of the market. The market has reversed multiple times here. Now draw the support area below with the help of a rectangle tool. which will make it easier for you to understand the price action of the market. Here also the market has taken support multiple times at the same place, so that it is a strong support area. If the market gives a breakout on the downside, then our stop would have been hit. Let me explain to you the consolidation of the market from the arrow line. Market went up from here and took resistance. Then the market come down from here and took the resistance, but there was a strong support area. Market took support here and went up. Went up and took resistance again and come down. Then went up with support. Come down again with resistance. Went up again with support. From here the resistance went down towards the support. Went up again with support. Then come down with resistance. Finally the market gave an upward breakout with a big candle. That's why we got to see such a big move. Guys, you can see how the market was moving in the same zone, because of which it took us so long to hit the target. This candle is made of news who was so big. You can see the candle around it. How small is it? Here the result of the news was positive, with which we got to see the breakout on the upside. Our target has been achieved. I am closing trade now. Guys, our profit is $4,759, which is the result of our perseverance. I am closing it. See you after closing the trade. We made $2,500 deposits in this account, which made $7,389. Today's return is 190%, which is double amount of our account. If the analysis in the market is correct, then you will also convert the loss into profit. Here we can make such a big profit only by price action analysis. This is a very simple analysis of Forex market that can earn good. All you need is a little practice and a little patience. If you want to be a successful trader, then you have to have a lot of patience. That will do all the work. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Thanks for watching this video.
Like this.